The humidity levels are stable at 65%, just as required for the conditioning process. Good, the flexibility metrics are optimal.
The current layout shows a 98% material utilization rate.
That meets the target. The precision is exceptional. We can sign off on this section.
The automated skiving machines precisely thin the edges. Digital controls ensure consistency, while our craftspeople thick leather pieces are wrapped around reinforced cores by skilled workers before being stitched into elegant carrying handles.
Quality specialists carefully inspect every completed briefcase for stitching accuracy, hardware alignment, zipper performance, leather finish.
This meticulous hand-finishing process is what gives the leather its rich texture and luxurious gloss. The resistance metrics are holding perfectly within tolerance. Excellent. This batch meets the durability standard. Look at the data here, well within tolerance. Noted. The reinforced structure is performing as expected. We verify every single component. The consistency across the attachment rings is critical. Verified. This one is flawless. A comprehensive final examination checks stitching accuracy and hardware operation against strict luxury standards. Automated systems pack the boxes securely. Barcodes are applied for global tracking. The products are stacked by robots, ready for distribution in the client. From protective wrapping to automated transport, every step of the export process demonstrates our world-class logistics management. Handcrafted luxury for the modern executive. Discover the definitive statement in professional elegance.